92 years ago, in its capital of Montevideo, Uruguay was crowned the first winner of the World Cup. Since then, the world has been captivated every 4 years by this fantastic tournament that brings the world's greatest football players together to compete for the coveted gold trophy and, more importantly, the pride of their nation. I love the World Cup. Its pageantry, energy, fellowship, and teamwork inspires all of us to see and believe in a better world. For me, the World Cup is uniquely impactful. My forever travels have given me the privilege of visiting and having friends in most of the countries that are represented. I can't watch a game without thinking of you in your homes, bars, or cafes cheering for your team. One of the most powerful byproducts of our involvement with Forever are the teams we build, the friendships, brotherhoods, and sisterhoods that are created, which are meaningful and synergistic. Regardless of who you are, where you're from, or the language you speak, you are welcome at Forever. There are no barriers, borders, or obstacles to entry. There is a team here for you. That, however, is just the beginning, as there are no shortcuts to success at Forever. Building a Forever business is a journey that takes hard work, dedication, patience, and commitment. Like all journeys, there are thrilling moments where everything seems to go right and long uphill treks where everything feels difficult and with very little forward momentum. I know we have all experienced both of these, especially over the past couple of years. For Forever as a company, it has been no different. 2022 has had all those moments and more. This past year has been hectic. However, as I look back, I am thrilled at what we have all achieved together. Since this is the end of the year message, I thought it would be fun to recap some of the things that we accomplished over not only the past year, but the past 2 years. Isn't it amazing what has been achieved in such a short period of time? We owe this success to you and our amazing staff. Despite some impactful accomplishments, we were all faced with many distractions during the last 2 years. Yet Forever continues to strengthen and we are bouncing back. You have proven resilient and you are showing why you are the best of the best. That's the past, but what does the future look like? One of the funnier throwback phrases Rex used to say is, "The future is bright, so you better wear your sunglasses." It sounds kind of cheesy, but it couldn't be more accurate. The future holds promise. Our primary focus going forward will be to reestablish a growth mindset. In every corner of our business, and especially with you, the FBO, we will be moving forward past the maintenance-induced mindset of COVID-19 and back into our usual profitable growth mindset. So what does that mean? First, it means that the basics remain unchanged. We will continue to do the right thing for the right reasons. Forever's core principles will not change. Of course, we all continue to do these basic, simple things. Use the products, sell the products, introduce new people to the business opportunity, achieve and stay 4cc active every month, qualify for all our generous incentives, especially global travel. A growth mindset versus a maintenance mindset requires all of us to do the following. We must become problem solvers by embracing the idea to fix and move on. Actively set goals and achieve them. Talk and invite people to the opportunity every day. Become an expert on the products you sell. Strive for exceptional customer service throughout your team. Focus on activities that build your business and volume. Don't get distracted. You got to stay on course. Share challenges with your upline, never with your downline. Remember, you are too important and your time is too valuable to waste on activities that don't help you grow. Accelerating growth requires that we simplify. As a company, we acknowledge this, and we are committed to making things less complicated. So we are going to focus on making it easier for you and your customers to understand the marketing plan and enjoy our incredible products. We are making access to our products and marketing plan easier and more convenient everywhere by continuing to invest in technology. This will allow us to have a more global marketing plan with tools for you to utilize. This includes digital support apps and mobile websites that will help to bring the product into more homes around the world. We continue to learn about how to strike the balance with online retail and are confident that we are on the right track. We currently have over 150 products available to you and your customers, and we have 5 new products coming in 2023. Isn't that exciting? We also have 6 product reformulations being tested and 23 new product ideas in different stages of development. All of these are to help you look and feel better and give you more opportunities to grow your forever business. We are restructuring our staffing globally to stay agile and more responsive. We are even changing the style and function of our buildings and offices to help you experience a more streamlined, modern, and environmentally friendly place to visit and build your business from. Additionally, we continue to monitor and respond to the complexities of all global compliance in all aspects of our business. We have events planned all over the world, including our global rally in Bali, taking place in April. What an amazing opportunity that will be for us to celebrate, learn, and recharge together. I hope you qualified. If you did, congratulations. If you fell a little short, we will miss you and we'll look for you online, but not count you out on the next qualification. Channel any disappointment you might have into motivation, and don't let falling short of your goals prevent you from setting new ones. Now is the time to look forward and look up. There is a new year ahead, so set a plan, work the plan, and qualify for Global Rally. And we will see you in, hold on, I just remembered, the Eagle Managers Retreat in Pattaya, Thailand. What a beautiful part of the world that is, and I can't wait to get back there. Eagle Managers is an incredibly generous and effective incentive. We understand that it isn't easy, but teaches you and your group through example with the expectation that your business will grow. Okay, now I haven't forgotten. Are you ready now to find out where you'll be going for the 2024 Global Rally? Check this out. Wow, I can't wait. It's gonna be so exciting and I hope to see you there. Now, I've tried to let you know a few of the areas we are working on and where we are going to focus our efforts on this next year. But time does not allow me to go into all the details. Trust me though, it's gonna be awesome. At the time of filming this video, we don't know who the winner of the World Cup is. But right now, as you watch this, the mystery will be solved and the winner crowned. Millions will travel home and go back to normal life. But at Forever, we don't have to go back to a normal, mundane life. What we have lasts forever if we build it right. In the 92 years of World Cup competition, there have been many winners and many losers. As fun as the competition is for us to watch, it's a temporary, but for those players on the world stage, it is their what matters most. And like for them, what matters most to me is knowing that I did my very best, that I held nothing back and I gave it all I had. Because I have learned if I do that, I'll be on the right path to achieving my goals. I hope you feel the same. And in 2023, you are willing to give it your all. Continue to focus on what matters most to you, and hopefully we will be celebrating your accomplishments together very soon.